morning, dear children. Now again I am back with new lesson. Today we are going to study about my sense organs. But before starting the class, let us recall what we have learnt in our previous class. Lesson 2. Lesson 2, our body. Dear children, what we have learnt in our previous class? We have learnt about body parts, their names and their uses. We have also learned what we can do with the help of hands, legs. Now let us start our lesson 3, my sense organs. Do you know, children, how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. Can you name them? Yes, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Skin is present everywhere in our body. Now let us start our lesson 3. Dear children, open your book. Yes. Now we will read the lesson. Lesson number 3. My sense organs. First, what we will do? First, I will read the lesson. You will repeat after me. Okay? Shall we start now? So, let us start. Sina sees a bag full of pears. Then what Sina says? Wow! Pears! Now let us see what Sina is saying. Sina sees a bag full of pears. And she's saying, wow, pears. Can you tell me which sense organ she is using? Can you tell me, dear children? Yes, she is using eyes. Eyes to see. Now, let's go to the next picture. In the next picture, Sina picks up a pear and feels it. And she feels the pear's heart. Sina picks up a pear and she feels like the pear's heart. So dear children, which sense organ she is using? She is using hand or skin to feel the thing. Then in the next picture, Sina smells the pear. The pear smells sweet. In the third picture, now Sina is smelling the pear. The pear smells sweet. Now, can you tell me which sense organ she is using? She is using nose. Nose to smell. Now, in the next picture, Sina hears her mother slicing the pear. Now, as we all can see, Sina's mother is slicing or cutting the pear. Sina hears the sound from far away. Now, which sense organ she is using? She is using ears to hear. Next picture, Sina tastes the pear. Mummy, it is so sweet. Now, she is tasting the pear and she is saying, Mummy, it is so sweet. Which sense organ she is using? She is using tongue. Tongue to taste. With the help of tongue, we can taste food. Now, let's go to the fact and. What is written there? We can taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter things with the help of tongue. So dear children, what we can do with the help of tongue? We can taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter things. Let's go to the next page. You can also turn page from your book. Yes, come to the next page. Sense organs. First I will read, then you will repeat after me. Like Saina, we can also see, touch, smell, hear and taste things. Our eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. They help us to know about the things around us. Now dear children, like Saina, we can also see, touch, smell and hear things. Our eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organ. And all the sense organs help us to know things around us. Now let us see with the help of these pictures what we can do with our sense organs. We see with our eyes. Our skin help us to feel things. We smell with our nose. We can smell with the help of nose. We taste with our tongue. We can taste food with the help of tongue. We hear with our ears. We can hear sound, music with the help of ears. Now let's go to the next page. Come, there is one poem given in your book. Sing with your teacher. First, what we will do? First, we will read the poem. Two little eyes to see the world. One little nose to smell the curd. Two little ears to hear mother call. 10 pink fingers standing up tall. Two strong legs that walk and race. Two strong legs that walk and race. One pink tongue that help me to taste. Now let us sing the poem. Two little eyes to see the world. One little nose to smell the curd. Two little ears to hear mother call. 10 pink fingers standing up tall. Two strong legs that walk and race. Walk and race. Walk and race. One pink tongue that helps me to taste. Helps me to taste. Help me to taste. Now we will go to the next page. Grandma says. Now let us see what grandma is saying. A baby has very small body parts. As it grows, its body parts become bigger. Do you know why? Yes, as the babies grow up, they become bigger and bigger. They start walking, eating, learning. They do so many things with the help of body parts, as we all are doing. Now this fact and already we have discussed, but again we will read. We can taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter things with the help of tongue only, with the help of tongue. Now let's go to the next page. Saina wants to know. Now let us see what Saina wants to know. Write the names of the body parts that help Saina to do the following things. Let us help Saina. Come on. See the pear. Can you tell me which sense organ? Eyes. Which sense organ? Eyes. 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 Feel the pear. Skin. 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 Smell the pear. Nose. 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 Hear her mother slicing the pear. Ears. 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 Taste the pear. Tongue. TONGUE. Let's go to the next question. Now let us see what is given in the next. Now exercise time. Match the columns. Now in column A, all the names of sense organs are given, and in column B, all the function of sense organs are given. So now let us match. First word is eyes. Eyes to see. Nose. Nose to smell. Ears. Ears to hear. Skin. Skin to feel. Tongue. Tongue to taste. Now let us go to the next slide. Now question number B. Fill in the blanks with the names of sense organs. Now here in this question we will see what we do with the help of sense organs. Number 1. I read a book with my eyes. I use my tongue to taste an ice cream. I can feel a soft toy with my skin. I hear the sound of drums with my ears. I smell a flower with my nose. Let's go to next question. Question number C. Look at the picture of the cat given below. Compare its body parts with yours and fill in the blanks. Can you see the cat? Yes, we have to compare with cat. Now, number 1. I have 2 eyes and so does the cat. Number 2. I have 2 legs but the cat has how many legs does cat have? 4 legs. Number 3. I have no tails but the cat has 1 tail. I have dash tongue and so does the cat. I have 1 tongue. Number 5. I eat with my mouth like the cat. Last question, question number D. Make tick for a correct statement and cross or wrong for an incorrect statement. Number 1. Our hands are also sense organs, isn't it? No. Number 2. We taste with our tongue. Yes, we taste with our tongue only. Our eyes help us to smell. Our eyes help us to smell, isn't it? No, it is wrong. Number 4. Our skin help us to feel things. Yes. Now let's go to the next page. Answer the following questions. Let's begin with question and answers. Number 1. With what do we see? Can you tell me? We see with our eyes. With what do we smell? We smell with our nose. With what do we hear? We hear with our ears. With what do we hear? We hear with our ears. Number 4. With what do we feel? We feel with our skin. With what do we feel? We feel with our skin. Number 5. What do we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. What do we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. How many sense organs do we have? Can you tell me how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Now dear children, here we have finished the lesson, but now we will take a short review of our lesson 3. Now let us recall what we have learned today. We have learned about 5 sense organs and their uses. Can you name them? Yes, let us revise. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And we have also learned about the function of sense organs. What we can do with the help of eyes? We can see with the help of eyes. We can smell with the help of nose. We can hear with the help of ears. We can taste with the help of tongue. We can feel with the help of skin. So, now with this, I am going to give you little homework. Question number 1. Learn and write sense organs name. You have to write all the 5 sense organs names and learn. Number 2. Learn and write questions and answers. Dear children, you have to write all the question answers and exercise which is given in your book. Until, stay safe, stay home.